All right, good morning guys. So an amazing 60 tick banger trade here live on YouTube this morning on the Top Step live stream. Call the entire position live. The entry, the stops, the exits, not for signal purposes, but for understanding the reasons behind the trade. This was an absolutely amazing live stream and I'll recap the trade later on in this video. But for now, we have to wrap up the whole entire trading setup. It's time for the airport. We got a big day of travel. Let's go. Good morning, people. We are in Switzerland. This is my first time going out this morning. This place so far is absolutely beautiful. Let's go get some coffee and soak in these absolutely incredible views. What a place so far. Doesn't even do it justice on the camera. Look at this. Don't tempt me. Look at this. Just came down a random little lane, ended up by the water with a $15 Australian dollar coffee, enjoying this view. Nice. And that was actually $15, which is pretty crazy. Pretty nice though. Oof, we're back. What a place. So beautiful and beautifully warm here. So I just got back. I'm going to jump on the pre-New York market call for the guys in the community, and I'm also going to see if we can trade New York for a little bit and make some money to pay for this very expensive but beautiful country. So I'll give you guys the house tour as well. So it's a pretty basic place. I booked it last minute, but to be honest, it actually does the job. We've got a decent kitchen here. Obviously we've got the bathroom, shower, and the main reason I booked this place, bedroom, wardrobe, is for this. It literally has the perfect background for trading and streaming and lighting, and it's like literally 2 minutes from the lake, which is amazing because I'm dying to go down for a swim because it's beautifully hot. Look at this nice little balcony as well. And Switzerland is beautiful. This might be so far up there with one of my favorite European countries just because of how picturesque and beautiful it is. It's like, yeah, it's expensive, but it's like, you know, sometimes expensive means quality. And the coffee shops, just even the like clothes shopping and coffee shops and the lake is just absolutely beautiful. So maybe in this video, I'll give you guys or in another one, we'll do another video about the cost of living in Switzerland, just day to day as a digital nomad. We'll jump on the market call. Obviously, we've got screens set up here as well. So we'll jump on the market call, enjoy some of the sun, and then we'll go out and go for a swim. I had to walk past before and there was people like jumping off a bridge and swimming in the lake. So if we make some money, we'll go for a swim and we'll go enjoy some of the sun. And I'll take you guys around here in the absolutely beautiful Switzerland. This is why I ended the stream early today. Like, look at this chop. This is the hourly time frame here. It's the 30 minute. And when the markets are like this is why I love traveling and trading. Because when you're at home, you feel like you want to sit there and watch the charts and force a trade. Whereas when you're traveling and trading, I honestly really hope these videos inspire you guys to do it. Because when it's like this is this where I'm like, okay, cool, guys, good stream this morning. Shared lots of value. There's no trades, but let's not sit here and watch it. Let's go out. Let's go get a coffee, explore, you know, beautiful new places. Doesn't have to be Switzerland. You guys who are maybe new to the channel, you know, I took my leap into full-time traveling and trading with not that much. I had a few funded accounts, I had personal capital and savings, and I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna go pack up, go live in Asia where I can explore, travel, you know, live super cheap and grind on trading and be in a much happier position. So for me right now, rather than sitting here watching this, like if I was at home back in Australia, it's the evening time, I'd be watching this crap. I'm like, what's the point? Go out, enjoy your day, and come back later on. One thing I was emphasizing to the guys on stream this morning is trading is all about quality over quantity. It's not about taking multiple trades every single day. You know, if your goal is to make, let's say, $1,000 a week, you might do that across 1 or 2 days, or maybe even 3 days, but you're not going to take, you know, 200 plus every single day. Some days you might have winning trades, some days you might have no trades, some days you might have losing trades. You come onto the charts with no expectations. I never come onto the charts and I say to myself, oh, today I have to make money. No, I come onto the charts saying, are the markets presenting me something that is worth actually risking my money on? And if the answer is no, fine, step away, walk away, and guess what? Tomorrow or in a couple of hours' times, I can guarantee the markets will be much nicer, and I'll thank myself that I stayed patient, because it's always the trades where you know you shouldn't be trading, that when you do trade, you end up massively kicking yourself because you're like, fuck, I knew I shouldn't have taken that trade and I took that trade out of pure boredom. That's not what you want to do when you get to a professional level. Don't get me wrong, I'm not perfect. Still, sometimes I might fall into that trap. But what I'm getting better at and what you guys need to get good at is recognizing these emotions and knowing when not to trade, because that is the most important part of trading, is knowing when to not trade. So I'm still going to do the market call for the guys in the community who are going to trade New York. Me personally, It's only 11 a.m. lunchtime, so I'm going to do some work for the next 2 hours, have the charts in the background, and see if anything presents itself. If not, you know, maybe we'll trade the afternoon session and see if gold breaks out, or maybe we'll have a look at NQ. We've still got the stocks running beautifully, so stock portfolios are all-time highs, which is amazing. Been absolutely loving the stock plays at the minute. We'll see what we get for the rest of the day, and I'll bring you guys along. Let's go. Beautiful, guys. What a day. What a day and what a place. You guys are going to hear me say beautiful in this video a lot, but man, unfortunately didn't get to film me jumping in the water, which I would have loved to have done, but it was amazing. Down by the lake there, jumping in and swimming down for quite some time. I did get a great short on gold as well. Here, I gave fake out sells inside Discord. Here, I said to the guys, this was our liquidity levels that we're looking for shorts today, and I said in our pre-New York market call that I'm absolutely not buying gold. So we got short here once the Audi closed bullish, closed right back bearish. That's my fake out confirmation. And there's my short. I didn't get that much of it. I got about 50 ticks, which were about from here to here, then ended up coming all the way back down into our second level, which was a very, very, very nice short. Called it on our London live stream as well. After the New York trading session and market call with the community, I then went back down to the water and just sat by the lake and was just taking in all the absolute natural beauty. And I had a great day on the stocks as well. $2,000 on the stocks, which was amazing. And like I said, just going down to the lake and just appreciating life and what trading has done for me, and just even making these videos and sharing the journey with you guys as well, and share with you guys the wins, the losses, everything. We trade live every day for a reason, and I hope these videos inspire you guys to absolutely trade and just go and see the world, because the world is absolutely beautiful, and that's the only reason I got into trading, is to be able to do things like this. So every now and again, you got to remember how far you've come. Otherwise, we always get so stuck in focusing on, you know, where we should be going or chasing some sort of goal. But it's like, sometimes even you guys who you may not be profitable yet, but you might have also overcome so many barriers in trading. You may have grown as a trader without even realizing that. You need to appreciate and be proud of how far you have come in order to be able to move forward. So I've got some food coming right now. It's almost 9 p.m. and then I do have a one-to-one call this evening as well. And in this video, I'll also do a trade recap of these positions for you guys as well. And I'll bring you guys around the next few days here in the beautiful Zurich, where we'll travel around, drink lots of coffee, and just enjoy the absolutely beautiful nature.
But thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure, man. Pleasure. That's the biggest thing, man. It's like, I think people, especially with funding firms, are so close to, like, you know, making good money in trading, that people kind of fall down the trap of over trading because they want to chase the money.
Right.
But honestly, in trading, like I always say, you know, it's quality over quantity. You're not trying to take multiple trades every single day. It's like, man, you could take 2 to 3 good trades a week and be making great money. I've wasted the day, I should be doing something. But it's like, no, if you haven't traded today because nothing's came up, that's good discipline.
Right.
You protect your capital. That's amazing.
You show how you execute the trade, and you always talk about your discipline, your psychology. That's the moment I see, like, this guy is the one.
Yeah,
by his
nice.
voice.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate the kind words. Good to have you tuning in as well, man. Good to be able to even jump on this call as well.
Like,
Absolutely,
you're really
man.
good at coaching.
Appreciate it, man. I appreciate it.
You gave out really good advice. Thank you.
See you, bro. All right. Nice call there with member Nikki, who just joined the community. He joined the community, and I'll pop up on the screen. You guys can see that he actually paid for a holiday in Mexico through a 5K top step payout, which was amazing. Yeah, he was just saying that the most value he has taken from the community has been more so the psychology aspect, which is great, because it's the part that I love to talk about the most. Don't get me wrong, I love to talk about the trading technicals with you guys on YouTube, but for me, the real growth in trading is the psychology. You know, you get to a point where you know enough technicals. Some of you guys might not be there, that's fine, but if you've been training for like 1 to 2 years, you probably know enough technicals, and the next barrier isn't knowing more technicals, it's about progressing and improving your trading psychology. So amazing call there, Nikki. Nikki, if you are watching, appreciate you tuning in, man. It was a fantastic call, and it's 9:45 at night, guys. It's bedtime. We got to be up early for the London live stream. Amazing day today here in Switzerland. We'll do it all over again tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's been a bit of a rainy past few days here in Switzerland. Been pretty much just on the grind, taking lots of one-to-one phone calls, which has been amazing. Today, I am jumping on Top Step TV with D. So, look at this. Casual Euros going past. I've never seen so many nice cars here in Switzerland. Like, even this morning, I've seen like I don't know, a couple of Uruses, Ferraris, Porsches everywhere. Zurich is a crazy, crazy place. There's also no capital gains tax in Switzerland, so that explains a lot. But yeah, just got second coffee of the day. Gonna head home because we're about to jump on Top Step TV, where me and Dee are doing a London takeover, which is gonna be good fun. So I'll bring you guys along for that. And it's been a pretty rainy past couple of days, so I've just been catching up on one-to-ones with the mentorship members, which has been amazing. But I wanted to get sunny because I want to go for another swim in the lake, because Switzerland is absolutely beautiful when it's sunny. We've got a couple more days, so fingers crossed the weather gets better. But so far, being here in Switzerland, it's definitely a very livable place. Like, I actually really like it here, and I feel like it would be absolutely beautiful here to see it in wintertime as well. I did just take a gold short as well, guys. Look, I'll show you this. We just got back and it hit perfectly. This locked in about $360 here, taking this gold scalp short on 100k account, which has been very nice. And now, transparency purposes, I unfortunately did lose my 150. I took 2 payouts from that 150 and I just didn't give myself enough of a buffer. And that's why I said to you guys, give yourself enough of a buffer. So right now we are trading on, I have a 50 which has about almost 3,000 in the balance, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 100Ks as well. We're still trading with about 450,000 on Top Step, which is, still amazing. I still have a few different funded accounts as well and other props, but these ones are my main focus. So a nice $366 here for the morning so far gives me a pretty decent cushion coming into that New York session. So drink the coffee, catch up on some stuff. On Saturday, I'm going more into the mountains of Switzerland, so we'll continue this video on, and you guys stay tuned for that, because I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful, even if the weather is a bit rainy. I definitely didn't come prepared for this rain. All I brought is my Birkenstock sandals and 1 pair of trousers and no jumpers. But when it was sunny the other day, like I said, it was absolutely beautiful. You go swim in the lake, everyone's out and about. So I want to get in one more sunny day before we leave, because I want to go for another swim in the lake. So I'll bring you guys around. Coffee came with a little biscuit. And let's see if me and Dee get any trades on this London live stream. I'll catch up with you guys after.
Schmitty tanks. We do have...
Jumped on with the guys for 2.5 hours, which I don't know if me and Dee jinxed it, but it felt like we would trade in London. Gold has done absolutely nothing. This is the 30-minute time frame here. I did call some nice trades within these liquidity levels, but when you're trading New York, you don't expect it to be this much of a ranging market. So in hindsight, yeah, I could have played this range pretty well. I would have got like an extra 50, 60 ticks, but it's also like, it's one of these days where if I do trade in this range, I'm going to give back my profit from earlier, and I'm also going to kick myself. So it was a slow grind today, but again, these are the days in trading that make or break traders. These are the days that, most traders revenge, go on tilt, and give back all of their gains, where these are the days where you accept the range, you stay patient, and you just wait, you follow the plan. The market's going to be here tomorrow, and the day after that, and the week after that. So awesome session with the guys. Unfortunately, it was a slow one. I was hoping we could get some nice gold trades in the New York session together, but it was a slow grind. So we'll have to do a London session takeover on Top Step TV again soon. It's 6 p.m. here. It's still raining, which is really unfortunate, because I kind of want to go and do something. And the only thing I can think to go and do is go for a walk or go shopping. I don't really want to go shopping because I don't really have any desire to buy anything. And I don't really want to go for a walk. I do want to go for a walk, but it's raining. I kind of want to go for a walk and get some dinner. I would love to go for an evening swim in the lake. That's what I was kind of hoping for, because it stays pretty late here in Switzerland until 9 o'clock at night. So I was hoping jump off stream, go for a swim in the lake, but this weather is terrible. And I just had a quick look around the Airbnb, and I don't see any umbrellas. And I also stupidly didn't bring a jacket, and I only have my Birks. But we're going to go find something to do, because it's the days like today on the charts where you guys need to be like, look, the market's arranging. It's had some all right opportunities. Close the charts and walk away. The boredom trades are the ones that you will end up regretting, and you'll kick yourself for taking them trades. Maybe what we'll do is I'll do the trade recap of I've had 3 trades this week, all winners, which has been great, so we can't complain. So I'll do a recap of them trades for you guys, and then I might go out and get some dinner, get something healthy. I'm going to Google something fun to do, and me and you are going to go do something fun together right now. Let's go. I've got it. The best thing that I can come up with in weather like this, and it's not shopping and it's not walking, it's partially walking, but we couldn't come to Switzerland, building it up, all right, wait, and not try Swiss chocolate. So it's the best thing I can come up with, even though it's basically dinner time. Let's go find a proper Swiss chocolate place and go try some chocolate together. That sounds like fun to me. Maybe it's fun to you guys to watch. I don't know. I don't know about a trading channel anymore. This is a chocolate eating channel. Let's go. Hope this is going to be worth it. You guys can't see it. She looks quite clear behind me. It is absolutely pouring down. $14.65. Cool, thank you.
You like small bag?
Yeah, I'll take a little bag, please.
Yes. Have a good
Cool,
evening.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Chocolate secured pretty unnecessary hourly long trip to go get some $30 chocolate, but let's go home and try it. But this is why we trade. We trade to travel, make money, eat food, and just explore different countries. I don't know why it looks bright behind me. It's not drizzling like crazy. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. I got a little selection of a few different things. This is definitely not why you guys subscribe to this channel, but we're here now, and you know we've come this far together, so we got to see it through. There's a lot of different types, and I did not need all of this chocolate. I'm definitely not going to eat all of this, but there was just a few that just you couldn't turn down, like this one. This is the pistachio milk chocolate. It smells absolutely incredible. Pretty good. That's pretty good. This one's interesting. This one's supposed to be like a mix of caramel and milk chocolate. Oh wow. Holy shit, that's good. I'm about falling off my chair, it's that good. Wow. Alright, 2 more little bites, I'm like, feel sick already. It's just like a berry one. It smells pretty good. Can confirm. That's good actually. That might be one of the favourites. And then there was this little Smartie one as well. And then that's it. No more. That was alright. The best one's probably the caramel one. That one's very good. Trade breakdown time. Let's go. Alright guys, so let's break down the trade that we've had so far this week. So we took this trade live on stream on Monday, and then we called these fake out sell positions on the live stream, but also in Discord as well. I alerted the guys that this fake out closure back below is going to give us a great short down into previous daily lows. Now let's have a look at the first trade here. And this was the trade that we took live on YouTube for absolutely free on the Top Step YouTube channel. What our thought process was for this trade is, you know, we jump on our trade at 7:30 London time to trade the London Open at 8 a.m. And pre-London, what we've seen here is we had this amazing push up here in Asia. And what I was basically thinking is, okay, you've had this decent breakout, and more importantly, you have came down, you've tagged previous hourly lows and had a nice rejection. So with that grab in previous hourly lows, to me, this looks like a great morning star play, and I'm looking for gold to have a bit of a retracement. Now, ideally, I was looking to target back up into these highs, but when we were trading this live, we did actually notice some pretty decent resistance to the left as well. And as you guys can see, we got long right here. So we risked off this low here once this tagged is in. And basically, all we were looking for is price to have a bit of a pullback. We noticed this big resistance that price was coming into, and we actually decided to cut that trade around here for about 50 ticks live on stream. And the whole reason for this trade was higher time frame. Understanding the higher time frame, you had beautiful 4-hour breakouts here as well. Lovely liquidity grab and a breakout in Asia, and I was looking for this to continue targeting up in some previous highs, along with a very nice hourly morning star play. So although this hourly didn't close bullish, we were still very able to get our in and out trade. Now, fast forward to the next day. This is where we were talking about live on YouTube as well. Some of the guys were asking, how do you avoid fake outs? You don't want to avoid fake outs. Fake outs are some of the best plays on gold, and it's some of my favorite setups on gold that can give very, very nice positions. And what I was saying to the guys live on stream, you guys can go back and watch it on Tuesday. And what I was saying is you want to be looking for fake out sells at levels of resistance. So on the 4-hour time frame, I won't show you guys because it will skip it forward. I'll show you in a second. But what I was basically drawing up on stream, I was basically saying if we get an hourly closure above, that's great. I don't try and buy that hourly breakout. Why? Because it's still 4-hour resistance. But if we can close back below, this is going to give us a very, very nice short. And as you guys can see, as we close above, that's fine. I'm not looking for longs. I accept it. If that next hourly closes right back below, that's where I'm going to get short. And this is what I was saying to the guys in Discord. Now we have that hourly closure back below, and we had these downside liquidity levels in our pre-New York market call, and also daily lows all the way down here that were given beforehand as well. And this hourly closure back below, that confirms a fake out. You then go back to the 4-hour, and that's where we saw this leaving this beautiful rejection, and that's where we got short on the top wick and flip of the next hourly to come down and tag these lows for a very, very nice 50 tick trade. In these 2 trades alone, if you're trading 1 contract, it's a $1,000 trade in literally 2 days following very, very simple but clean price action, all understanding the higher time frame. Now, my trade here today in the pre-New York session. I didn't get a trade yesterday, unfortunately, I had no internet, but absolutely got my piece of the pie here today. So I got short here today on gold. Once you had this beautiful breakout, I shorted this 15-minute pullback breakout here for about 36 ticks. From here to here, hit lows of about 50. Again, didn't get as much as 50, but this is where I got about $360 just scalping this play down after this beautiful breakout. Again, all about understanding the higher time frame. So before you guys start dropping down to your 5-minute time frames, looking for execution, always wait for that higher time frame to confirm the move. Higher time frame paints the picture, lower time frame is purely for pressing buy and sell. Pure execution on the lower time frame. Higher time frame paints the picture, lower time frame to press buy and sell. Hope you guys enjoyed that trade breakdown. Good morning, guys. Good live stream this morning. Good mentoring session with the mentorship group as well. Now we have special guest arriving. One of my good friends, Chow, has just arrived from the UK, who is a trader as well, been on many of the trading retreats. Gonna walk to go meet him now and yeah, spend the day together. And it's beautiful blue skies, believe it or not. Look at this. Beautiful blue skies today. Let's go. Chow's a trader as well. He does more like longer term stuff. He's made a lot of money trading crypto. So it's cool to meet up. He's also been on like 3 of the trading retreats, which is amazing. Last time I saw him was in Bali on the last trading retreat. So spend the day together. I'm gonna convince him to come for a swim in the lake because I need to go for a swim in the lake. And yeah, let's go get some food and catch up. Oh, thank you. Pretty much like every day. Am I gonna make it? I did not know that little ledge was there.
Did it?
Yeah.
Mega nice.
Ridiculous, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
I think the this side got the view.
Which one? This side?
I think this side got the view.
Oh. Sick.
Which one do you want to try?
Oh wow, look at the mountains over there. Can you see it? The snow on them.
It's non-stop.
Look at the snow on the mountains.
Hey, clouds, mate.
Nah. Oh man, this might be the most beautiful place I've ever traded from and had an espresso from. This is just incredible. Oh, so peaceful, man. There's nature, the water, beautiful mountains and some chickens over here. Incredible. This is the reason we grind and work so hard at trading. To trade from places like this. Wow, man. Beautiful. Wow. Trade to live, people. Trade to enjoy life. Oh look, there's chickens. Good morning, chickens. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a mountain all the way up there, which you can see huge here on the camera. Massive mountain. Plan of action whilst I'm here, guys. I'm in a place called Interlaken, which was recommended by ChatGPT to come to before we end the trip here in Switzerland. So we're going to be here for a couple of days. It is the weekend today, so we're going to enjoy some mountain views, enjoy nature, and just kind of detach. You know, trading is so hard and mentally stressful that sometimes you have to enjoy some of your trading profits and just go and enjoy life in nature, away from everything. This is the reason why you guys who say to me, why don't you move to Dubai? This right here is the reason. Beautiful, beautiful nature. So yeah, it's Sunday today. Go for a walk, maybe go up to one of the mountains. I believe there's a restaurant up there. And then tomorrow it is the start of the trading week. Now, last week was a great week. Had a good winning trades that you guys saw in the last video. Monday, Tuesday, no trades Wednesday, Thursday, and then no trades Friday. So 3 amazing trades last week. Absolutely crushed the copy trading on Top Step as well. So we will see what we get this week. But for now, I'm going to go eat chow. We're going to go for some breakfast and enjoy the absolute beauty of the mountains here in Switzerland. And then next week, we're going to be trading to a brand new part of Switzerland as well. So be sure to stay tuned. Now, let's go get some coffee, let's go get some sunlight and get some steps in. And this is the absolute beautiful walk to go find Chow's place, because he's staying in a different place. It's just mountains and mountains and mountains and beautiful winter chalets. This is where Chow's staying. I forgot it's not quiet anymore, we can talk like normal. Chow's staying in here, so. There's the train station where we got off yesterday.
This is our cruise, yeah?
Yeah, we got the cruise there, yeah.
And we came from that way around.
Wow, that's incredible. Is it good?
Yeah.
What a beautiful day, guys. Just exploring. We went up to like one of these massive mountains, and then we went in this pretty cool cave, and just, I can't believe, and I hope it comes across on camera, how blue the water is and how absolutely beautiful it is. I wonder if I could swim in it from here. Look how clear it is. It's actually not that deep. I could swim from my garden into the water. But I don't know how I'd get back up, because there's no ladder here, whereas these houses have a ladder. I'm just sitting here taking it in. I honestly think Switzerland may be the place to set up camp. Absolutely beautiful, pretty expensive, but 0 capital gains tax. Like, that's crazy. I imagine it's pretty hard, but man, this place is beautiful. I haven't even seen half of it. Good morning and goodbye. Goodbye, beautiful view. Goodbye. So peaceful, just hear the water, nature, absolutely incredible. But we're off. We are leaving Interlaken today. We are going to a brand new place. So I have to head to a coffee shop because I have a very important call at 9 AM with a company here in Switzerland. But it's actually a UK bank holiday today, so there's no live stream today. So perfect time for us to jump on the train and see where we end up. So you guys stay tuned, because it is Monday today, so we have the whole entire week to get some trades in the next place that we're at in Switzerland and see if we can end the Switzerland trip up even more, which right now we are absolutely crushing gold. Gold had an amazing, amazing move on Friday. So we'll recap that. We'll go find a coffee shop to host this call, and then I'll bring you guys along. Let's go. What I love here about Switzerland is it's just so peaceful, and the air's beautiful. That's nature. All you hear is the water, birds, and just I'm living it. I'm moving. And imagine how even more beautiful it would be in winter when there's like more snow on the mountains, in the streets, go skiing. It's nice to see it in summer, but it'd be even more amazing to see it in winter as well, man. And this is the river that goes down to where I was staying. Beautiful. It just keeps getting better and better. Look at this coffee shop, man. Wow. So we're gonna do my morning call. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Set up right here. Wow. Look at this. Morning coffee. See what the charts are up to. I think gold's gonna have a nice breakout today in the New York session. And this. Alright, gold time. Let's go. Good morning, guys. How are you? Valencia, we got it lucky. Came at a good time. Yep. It's so clear. That's crazy.
6:30 London time by 15-minute time frame.
As soon as you see that 30 grab highs and close bears, you're like, nah, that's Longzo. Not even a question right now.
Okay, yeah.
For at least the next half an hour.
Okay, yeah. 15-minute liquidity grab.
And you also grab some 50 million and you're buying at support as well.
Okay.
So you're not trying to take the buy up here, you're buying at the lows.
Yeah.
That's what I mean, mate. It's like, Bailey, what's it? Look. Rosie, can I see it? What's it?
Nice. Right, people, good morning. We're back in Spain, in Madrid. This vlog's been all over the place. Last time I saw you guys, we were actually in Switzerland. So this has been a pretty crazy trip since leaving Australia. We've been Australia, here in Madrid, Ireland, Jersey, Paris, Switzerland, back to Jersey, no, Scotland, back to Jersey, back down here now in Madrid. And this is where we're actually now getting set up for a while. So it's been a pretty amazing month. I have Kate arriving tonight and Sammy is on the way as well. I was tracking his flight last night because he has a big trip, but he's got lots of breaks on the way, which is amazing. There's a company that's taken full control of his whole entire move process, but I absolutely cannot wait to see them both, especially maybe a little bit more so Sammy. I haven't seen Sammy in like over a month, which is crazy because, you know, I can talk to Kate on FaceTime, you can't communicate with a dog over the internet, so I absolutely cannot wait. Quick apartment tour. You guys can probably see it's a nice loft apartment, nice bed up there. We have a little lounge area here, and the most important part is where we just finished the stream for this morning. Took a little gold loss here, then gold ended up pushing up beautifully. Maybe we're just cursed with Madrid. Maybe that's what it is. Last time we were here, you know, when I was in Switzerland and Jersey, we were having some banger trades. We had some amazing trades. Probably the first lost, which only $75 on stream in quite a while. But maybe it's Madrid. Maybe it's Madrid. We're only here for a week. But look at this. Not creepy. Look at the beautiful. So me to get outside and go get some breakfast. But yeah, it's a very cool place. Look, we got the upstairs area and downstairs. So yeah, it's pretty much Kate's in Doha right now. Kate's been flying all the way from Brisbane to Doha. Her flight's just been delayed by another 4 hours, so she's not going to get in until pretty late. But I'm going to go out, get some coffee, get some breakfast, take the laptop with me, and see if we get some trades in your session, and just bring you guys around and maybe show you a little bit the process of actually moving here to Spain, because this is us now fully moved to Europe. Now we're not staying in Madrid the whole entire time. We're moving around, but we'll show you guys around, so let's go get some breakfast and get on with the day. Look at you go, buddy.
This looks very appealing.
Look at this. And now, here we are in Valencia, where we're going to be set up for the next few months. So I hope you guys did enjoy this crazy video. I will see you guys live on stream every single day next week, live on the Top Step YouTube channel. So drop a like, subscribe. Lots of content coming from here in Spain as well. And I'll see you guys in the video in a brand new destination. See you guys there. Peace.